Following a series of changes in the fuel and LPG prices, the Ministry is, in conjunction with the Fijian Commerce Commission, pleased to announce that there will be reductions in prices of both fuel and LPG. The latest price review indicates a reduction in fuel prices in the range of about 4.5% to 8%, whilst LPG prices have been reduced by approximately 3.3%. The fourth quarter assessment that was done by the Fiji Commerce Commission, everybody's here today, has indicated that due to the declining international prices of fuel and LPG, the Fijian consumers will continue to enjoy further reduced prices. So as of the 15th of October 2015, there will be a price reduction. Motor spirits will be reduced by 10 cents from $2.21 to $2.11 per litre. Premix will be reduced by 10 cents also, from $2.09 to $1.99 per litre. And kerosene will be reduced by 11 cents from $1.36 to $1.25 per litre. And diesel will be reduced by 15 cents from $1.79 to $1.64 per litre. And the new pricing template and methodology adopted by the Fijian government in 2012 has assured basically that the Fijian consumers that the local prices reflects movements in the international prices, and the international prices for LPG and fuel has fallen in the last 3 months, and the local consumers will benefit from this via the price reductions announced today. The reduction on LPG prices will also come into effect on the 15th of October, and they are as follows. 4.5 kg cylinder will reduce by 43 cents from $13.40 to $12.97. The 12 kg cylinder will reduce from by $1.15 from $35.73 to $34.58. The bulk per kg will reduce by 8 cents from $2.40 to $2.32, and auto gas per litre will reduce by 3 cents from $1.66 to $1.63. And further to the fuel and LPG price reduction, the current pricing structure to the various geographical markets around Fiji has also been revised and realigned as part of this review. So prior to this review, we had 12 price schedules reflecting prices for different parts of Fiji. But for the purpose of this review and all future reviews, the number of schedules has been reduced from 12 to 6 to account for the improved accessibility of transport services in the maritime and rural areas, and increased volumes and improved distribution network. So the realigned schedules will also bring greater equality in prices in different locations and ensure that all Fijians enjoy similar prices throughout the country. Ultimately, this means that consumers in the rural area and the outer areas are not disadvantaged, and they are afforded similar prices in urban areas and city centers. In fact, the new schedules have reduced the price differential between the areas at the retail level to approximately 3 cents less. And whilst we actually enjoy these reductions in the price of fuel, we as consumers need to be mindful of our responsibility to use fuel wisely. Despite the Pacific Island countries' contribution to global greenhouse gas emissions rates is approximately rated about 0.03%, we are actually unfortunately facing the brunt of climate change impacts, and the consumption of fuel is a significant contributor to carbon dioxide emissions and climate change patterns. The Fijian government, led by our Honourable Prime Minister, has taken the lead role in calling for world leaders to support the Pacific Islands in their fight against climate change, and the government believes in walking the talk and has developed several policies to ensure that our climate is protected and sustained for future Fijians. To this end, we recognize the quality of fuel contributes significantly towards the climate change. So the government plans to improve the standard of fuel, and this will result in cleaner fuel being imported and used in Fiji, and the reduction in sulfur oxide emissions. The decreasing world market prices resulting in lower domestic prices provides an ideal platform to herald in new fuel standards. And the new and improved standards will ensure a cleaner environment for Fiji and will enable import of better technology vehicles, which will benefit all Fijians. So as we've stated in the past, Fiji is a price taker, and we have no control over what happens in the international marketplace. But we are currently enjoying the benefit of the reduced prices. Fijian government looks forward to all Fijians embracing the principle of sustainable development as we continue to build a better Fiji, and I hope that's a wonderful announcement for all Fijians today.